Ever wondered if a collar could do more than just hang around your dog's neck? The Fi Series 3 Plus is here to redefine pet safety with its next-gen GPS tracking capabilities. Let's dive into what makes it a game changer. With upgraded antennae, the Fi Series 3 Plus ensures real-time location tracking nationwide. No more range limits mean your pet's safety is never compromised, whether they're in the backyard or on a cross-country adventure. Unboxing the Fi Series 3 Plus is like opening a treasure chest. Inside, you'll find the sleek collar, a charging base, and a user-friendly guide. Everything you need to get started is right at your fingertips. Setting up the Fi Series 3 Plus is a breeze. Simply follow the step-by-step guide to pair the collar with your smartphone. The Fi Collar app seamlessly integrates, offering a user-friendly interface for all your tracking needs. The Fi Series 3 Plus isn't just about location. Its AI-powered health and behavior tracking features provide insights into your pet's well-being. From activity levels to barking patterns, it's like having a vet in your pocket. Virtual fences and escape alerts are your new best friends. Set boundaries and receive instant notifications if your pet strays. Plus, with Apple Watch integration, real-time updates are just a glance away. The Fi Series 3 Plus offers a plethora of features, but is it the right fit for you? Weigh the pros and cons and consider who benefits most from this advanced pet tracker. It's a decision that could redefine pet care. Ready to make the leap? Click the link in the description to explore more and secure your Fi Series 3 Plus. By investing in this smart collar, you're not just buying a product, you're ensuring peace of mind for you and safety for your pet.